Hello friends, here Dr. BC, and today in this video episode I am going to show you the unboxing and quick review of a Huion wireless LCD pen tablet. Model number is DWH69. This is my Huion wireless LCD pen tablet. It is a professional level of drawing tool and the model number is DWH69. You can see that it comes in a very nice box. The size is very big and it is quite heavy, and you can see that this pen tablet has a touch function and it has a wireless 2.4G interface, and here you can see that it has a professional level of drawing tool and the Huion logo. And on this side you can see that this package contains a Huion pen tablet, rechargeable pen, wireless receiver, pen stand, 4 pen nibs, removable tool, USB cable, driver CD and quick installation manual. It has the requirement that you have a PC with Windows 7, 8, 8.1 or 10 or Mac OS X 10.8 or higher. And here you can see the address of the manufacturer. On the back side you can see a short note from the Huion side. You can see that this pen tablet can be used for drawing purpose, and it contains a original 1.8 inch TFT LCM interface. You can handle the instruction directly on that interface. Now you can see that it has a technology, that is, it has a technology of electromagnetic digitizer. It has an active area of 9 by 6 inch. Display type is TFT 1.8 inch. Report rate is 233 RPS. Read height is around 0.4 inch. Tablet connection, you can connect this tablet with the help of USB or a wireless 2.4G RF. It has a touch express keys. 8 touch express keys are on the board, and it has a hand input resolution that is around 1050-80 LPI line per inch. That is very big number, and the pressure sensitivity of the pen is around 2048 levels. It has a powered by either USB or a lithium-ion battery, that is of 2100 mAh. It has a power consumption of around 0.35 watt. The USB cable length is around 1.5 meter. Input current, that is less than 80 mA. Rechargeable pen. It has a auto sleep function. It has a communication range from, that is in wireless mode, from approximately up to 20 meters. It has a dimension 353 is to 230 is to 21 mm. The net weight of the unit is around 700 grams. That is quite bulky, and the system requirement is Windows and Mac. And here you can see that you can connect the tablet or computer by the help of wireless mode or by the help of USB mode. Before opening this box, I will tell you the price. You can get this model from the Huion directly. The cost is around $99. The Huion sent this model by DHL, and you have to pay around $14 to $20 for custom clearance. Now you can see that the custom has already opened this box, but there is a seal here. Let's try to open that. And the first thing you can get inside that box is the pen tablet itself. Now let's keep this aside, and below that you can find a quick stuff. You can see that this is a driver or manual CD, and here you can see a quick installation guide. You can see that is a touch sensitive express keys. That is not a physical button, and you have to touch at a particular area, not in between. And here the driver setting, I will show you later on. And you can see that you can connect the tablet to the laptop by the help of wireless mode or a USB mode. And on the back you can see that it has very limited compatibility. You can see that Photoshop, CS5, CS6, CC, Kritika, Microsoft Word, Corel Painter 2, Autodesk and Sai. And you can see that Microsoft Office Word is purely supported in all versions 7 to 8. And if you see there is some problem, then you have to switch off this pen tablet mode and so on. You can go through this stuff if your tablet is not working. And the next thing is the user manual. That is a Windows user manual, and that I think it is for a Mac OS. If you see this user manual, you will find all of the things that you have to set up before using this pen tablet. That is nice printed manual, and similarly the manual for Mac OS. Let's keep this aside. And the next thing inside the box you can find here, that is a USB 1.5 meter cable to connect this tablet to your computer. That is a micro USB end, and that is your main USB 2.0 end, and that is a cable to charge your pen. This goes in your pen, and that is a 5.0 volt input. And the next thing is the 4 extra nibs with removable tool. This will use to remove the pen nib from the pen, and that is a 4 extra nibs, and that is a pen holder or stand. This will work like that. Now you can put the pen on that, and that is a digitizer pen. And let's see, it's this one. Here you can see that this is a Huion pen. It has a 2 physical button, 1 and 2 at the nib. There is no eraser on the back as you can find on the Wacom tablet. To charge this pen, you have to put the charger like that, and now put this end in a regular 5 volt adapter. You can connect this also to your computer or PC to charge this pen. According to Huion, this pen will charge from 0 to maximum in 1 hour. Now let's keep all of this stuff aside and let's see the pen tablet itself. Yeah, this is a pen tablet. You can see the layout. That is 9 by 6 inch active area pen tablet, and it will support the pen input only. And that is a touch capacitive button, express button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and that is a 1.8 LCD display to see the interface. And there is nothing more on the tablet. You can see that on the back there are nice 4 rubber pads to hold this tablet on the table, and this slot contains a battery that is around 2100 milliampere hour, and the voltage around 4.2 volt, and it is a lithium-ion battery. And in this slot you will find a wireless adapter. Okay, I will put, and that is a wireless adapter, and it support only this model, that is DWH69. That's mean with the wire capability, this tablets also support the wireless mode of connection. And let's keep this aside. And if you see on this side, you will find a physical button that is currently at off position. Now when you put this in on mode, then the wireless mode is on, and now you connect this dongle to your computer, and you can now access the pen tablet with your computer. If you put this in off position, and then you have to plug in a USB mini port here, and then connect the 2.0 port to your computer to use this tablet in a wire mode. Nothing more. Now I will show you how to connect this Huion tablet with your computer. For that you have to need either a cable or you can use that dongle. Now this is my USB cable. You can also use the cable provided by the Huion. You can see that I have to connect this cable at here. Yeah, you can see that once I connected the cable, you will find a Huion LCD is on. Diagonal diameter is around 1.8 inch, and you can see that when you put the pen on the active area, you will find a pen, and when you try to put the finger on this express key, you will find the touch. So this pen tablet support both mode, a pen mode and the touch mode. Touch mode for this express 8 keys and the pen for this. Now before using this pen tablet for first time, you have to install a driver on your computer. Now the driver is like that. You have to go to the Huion site and then go to the support option. Either you can also use the in provided CD, but for a recent driver or latest driver, you have to go to the support site and then go to this Huion DWH69. Then you have to download driver either for Windows or for a Mac. Once you click this on that, you will find a driver in a zip format, and then you have to then open that and then double click that to install that driver. Once it is installed, then you have to connect this Huion to your PC either by the cable mode or either by the wireless mode. Once it is connected, you can see the icon, that is a Huion icon, and this will say that the tablet is in connected. If you disconnect the tablet, and then you can see this cross, in the notification panel. That's mean the graphical tablet is not connected, and once you connected that, you will see that it is connected. Now this is our driver interface. You can see the setting. You here, by the help of this setting, you can assign the action to the second button on the pen or the first button on the pen, and you can also click this support tablet PC. For my opinion, you have to uncheck that, because this will create certain problem on the pen tablet. And here on the screen you can see the setting, that is monitor 1. I have only one display with my computer. Here you can see the monitor 1 only, and from here you can check the sensitivity pressure test on the tablet. You can see that I have the pressure sensitivity is currently 0, because I had put this marker on here. You have to increase that and then apply, and then again you can see that now the pressure sensitivity is slightly improved. And once you put this on this end and then apply, you can see that you have to apply more pressure for the same result. So you can see that by the help of this pressure sensitivity, you can increase or decrease the pressure sensitivity on your pen tablet. And here you can see the advanced setting, and in this advanced setting you can either use the full area. You can use the full area of the touchpad to use, or you can also enable the soft key on the pen tablet. Here you can see that this will assign S1 to S14 on the active area. You can go through S1 to S14 soft keys, and that is the express key. You can assign the K1. That's here you can see the K1 is assigned to a keyboard shortcut with E, and K2 with space, and K3 you can see that it is equal to +2, and with control, that is Photoshop for zooming in, and that is negative, that control negative, that means it is used for zoom out. And the K5 increase the size of the pointer, and the K6 will decrease the size of the pointer, and K7 that is Z button, and it is control Z, that is undo command, and that is tab. So by the help of this advanced setting, you can assign the express key and the soft keys. Here you can assign the soft key here, and from this menu you can assign the screen ratio. You can also use a full keyboard, or you can also use a soft key mode, and you can here you can use this setting to disable this express key, that is this one on the pen tablet. And you can also go to the left hand mode from this setting, and it will also use to control the cursor. Now when I put this OK, now this will not control the cursor. As you can see that now cursor is not moving with respect to this pen tablet. Now I want this pen controller to control my cursor. Now this is OK. Once all setting is OK, then tap this apply and then OK. Now in the Windows setting, if you go to the property, you can see that our pen is supported. Now if you unplug that and then again go to the pen setting, you can see that no pen and touch input is available. So this pen tablet also support the Windows pen property. Now I will show you the Word. This is the Word 2016, and then go to the blank. Now go to the review panel and then tap this start inking, and now use that. Now you can see that it is very easy to use this. So you can see that this pen tablet work very easily with your lot of application on Windows. Now I will show you a very small sketch with the help of this pen tablet. For this I am using a Psi pen tool, and let's zoom in the canvas. You can also use the express key to zoom in and zoom out your canvas. Now let's suppose I want to draw a certain thing. You can see that I'm using a pencil here, and as you can see that you will find, because this has a matte finish, this pen tablet has a active area which has a matte finish, and then once you put the pen on this one, you can find a very smooth, very smooth pencil type feeling on this active area. And here you can see that it is very easy to draw with this pen tablet. There is no hang or there is no lag while drawing, and the feedback is very okay. You can see slight variation or slight disturbance in my draw because I am using this Cam Studio to record the screen on my computer. That's why you will find a grayness on the pencil input of this paint tool. Still you can see that this is very smooth, and there is no hang, lag and problem with drawing on this pen tablet. And yes, you can see that I have switched to the eraser mode by tapping this button. Now if you want to again use the pencil, then you have to go there and you have to tap on the screen to activate this eraser function. You can see that and you have to go to the pen here to activate the pen. So you can see that it is very comfortable pen. There is no hang, lag, and the drawing is very smooth. The haptic feedback from the pen is very good. You can also use the express key to zoom in and zoom out and do various other function with the help of this pen tablet. Certain shortkeys assigned to this express keys, and that is very helpful in certain drawing condition. This pen tablet also work with your Paint, Photoshop and various other application. So at a cost of $99, this Huion DWH69 is very good device. Now it is written on the manual that you have to specially take care about the tip of this pen. It is very sensitive. You have to make sure that this tip is not touching with any object. This will reduce the performance of this pen and also the battery life of this pen, because this will activate the pen and the battery is now on. And for that they provide this type of stand, and you have to put the pen on the stand like that. Now it is safe. And make sure that this tablet is not in the interference with any electrical field inside your house. Make sure that all of the equipment or electronics gadgets are quite far away from this tablet, so that the electromagnetic field from that appliances or instrument doesn't interfere with this pen tablet. If it interferes, then you will find a very strange problem while operating this pen tablet. So make sure that this pen tablet is out of reach of this electromagnetic radiations. Now I will show you how to connect this pen tablet with your computer by the help of this wireless dongle. First of all, I will show you the display. You can see that on the display you will find a Huion logo, non-charging. You can see that the charger, that this USB cable is not charging the pen tablet because I have switched off the pen tablet. You have to turn on that is a wireless mode, and you can see now it is charging. So if you want to charge the internal battery of this pen tablet, then you have to turn on the wireless mode on this pen tablet. Now if you off that, then the battery inside this Huion charger is not charging, and once you on that, you can see that it is charging. So this display tell you whether the internal battery is charging or not while in the USB mode. But in a wireless mode, if you take out that cable, and you can see that now it is in a wireless mode. So this button actually turn on and turn off the wireless mode or the battery inside this tablet. Now if you plug in this in a wireless mode, then you can also see that it is connected, device is connected, and you can also use. Okay, I have to turn on that first. Yeah, and you can see that now it is working. So with minimum configuration or minimum effort, you can use this tablet with your computer. Sometimes you will find certain problem that the pen is not smooth or it is not working perfectly. Then there is a manual inside the tablet. You can use that manual, or there is a very good support site from the Huion. You can go to that support site and find the answer from the Huion community within a few minutes. So it is very good. Now if you see on the display, you will find a Huion logo, a mode of connection. You can see that currently it is connecting in a wireless mode, and the charge on the battery, and also if you touch this express key, you will find the touch is okay. You will not see the touch option on the main active area of the device. The active area started from this point to this point, that is around from this to this is around 9 inch and from this to this around 6 inch. Now if you want to compare this tablet with the Wacom tablet, then you can find that this tablet is very cheap. It has the same pressure sensitivity pen, that is of 2048 as on the Wacom tablets. The cost is very low. You can hardly get this device at $99, and at this price bracket in the Wacom you will find this type of model, and that is very cheap and has a very small active area. And if you go the same size in a Wacom, then you can find that product cost you very heavy, almost 3 times costly than this Huion tablet, especially in terms of performance, in terms of drawing, or in terms of usage. This is not so bad, but Wacom is Wacom. You cannot compare this product with the Wacom because the capability, the performance and the interface and the support from this Wacom is very good. If you see this Huion tablet, the support is not so good. Sometimes if you find a problem in installing the driver or using this tablet, you have to go to their support site and then search for the answers. But on the Wacom there is a lot of user in the world, then you can easily find the solution if you Google search that problem. That is a very good point for the Wacom. The pen of the Wacom is a 3D pen. Instead of the pressure sensitivity in this direction, it has a tilt sensitivity. You can use this tilt function also on the Wacom. They have the eraser on the back. The pen on the Wacom is powered by the digitizer itself. There is no battery inside the pen of the Wacom. That's why the pen is very light. But here you can see on the Huion, if you see the pen, it is a barrel type pen and it has an inbuilt battery that can be charged through this port. The battery is inside that pen, but still it is very light because they are using a lithium-ion technology to power this pen. So in conclusion, I will say that this Huion, which cost you around 1/3 of the price of the Wacom tablet of the same specification, this Huion DWH69 is a very good pen tablet. I will recommend this pen tablet. If you are beginner and want to try a pen tablet for your drawing or animation, then this Huion DWH69 is very good to start. Now this completed the unboxing and quick review of a Huion DWH, a wireless LCD pen tablet from Huion. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. The subscription link is shown on your screen, and for more videos on upcoming gadgets, technology and many more, keep watching BCD Tech. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.